It was near 5 below with the wind chill factor when the program started. We're now seeing a feel-like temperature of 1 below. So that just gives you an idea just how cold it is at the stadium and really region-wide as we're dealing with an offshore storm with a wind field that is expanding. And that is why it feels even colder than the actual temperature reading. So here's your feel-like temperatures out the door right now. 3 below in Boston and Worcester. It feels like it's closer to 2 as you head down toward New Bedford. Here's that wind, and you can see how the field of this wind is expanding. So we are seeing some stronger wind gusts even out toward western Massachusetts of gusts of 20 to 26. But the strongest wind by far has been down over Cape Cod and the islands. We saw in Nantucket earlier a wind gust of about 48, now sitting at about 45 miles per hour. So it's a gusty wind, and we are expecting that wind gust to approach 50 miles per hour over the next hour or so. As we move toward our next high tide, we're just moving past high tide right now. Our next one is about 12 hours, of course, and we are looking at wind gusts still at that point of about 30 to 40 miles per hour. So that's why we are concerned for, again, some splashover, some stronger waves, and possibly some pockets of minor coastal flooding. We already saw some evidence of that with the last high tide. We did have Caitlin Galehouse in Scituate where she saw some of that water coming over the seawall. So it's something we'll be watching this evening, and again, even for tomorrow morning, even after the storm moves out of here, as we are dealing with astronomically higher tides due to the full moon. We were watching these ocean effect flurries earlier this morning really blossom. They're not quite as widespread as they were earlier, but there's a flake or two that's stretching right here from Cohasset right along the coastline of Route 3, and that is impacting Plymouth, Marshfield, right up toward really most areas of the South Shore. The North Shore now drying out, and thank goodness for that because we had a good amount of ocean effect flurries there earlier. A shield of snow moving on to Nantucket right now. That's the actual storm, but in Boston, I do not expect that's going to be moving in. So we are looking dry in the city today. It is cold. It is windy. High temperatures in the 20s will feel like it's closer to 10 degrees. Here's that snow associated with the actual storm, and it's just barely brushing the outer Cape and Nantucket for this afternoon. You can see it's still around as we stretch toward the 5 o'clock hour, but then it's moving out to sea as we move toward late tonight. So I expect an inch or two possible for the outer Cape and Nantucket for most locations in the coastline and even some inland areas of the South Shore toward 24. That is where we could see some fresh coatings due to this ocean effect snow shower action that we're still tracking. Your 7-day forecast showing things drying out for your Groundhog Day. Mostly sunny, and we approach 30 degrees as we move into the middle of the work week. It's not a huge warm up, but there is that chance for some melting of the snow this week with some sun in place and high temperatures a little bit closer to the freezing point. We'll watch for our next cold blast next weekend, which could also feature a chance of snow.